Hello again, dear learners. In the first video, we learned how we can access to Google Docs. Now, we are on our Google Docs. We can see some templates. As you see here, it is some templates like Microsoft Word. This is the recent documents that maybe you have worked because I have worked and I have saved some documents before. And also, if you go down, you can see other options. We are not going now to check these options. What are they? It is not necessary. The first thing is this plus sign. If you click, as you see, it is written start a new document and a blank document. If you click on this plus sign, you will create your first new document that you are going to write, for example, a resume, a cover letter, anything that you would like. So now it is ready. As you see, the cursor is here blinking. It is ready to type. If I type, you see, it will type and I can see the result. So this is the typing area. In this video, we are going to know very quickly the workplace, and we are not going deeply to talk about them, only get familiar what are they. The first area is, as you can see, it is written untitled document. So it is the place that you should change, rename the name of the document and the file. So this is the first area. The second part is the menu bar. As you can see here, we have file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, extension, and help. And if you click on them, you see you can access other options, for example, in file, in edit, in view, insert, format, tools, and we will work on them one by one. The third section is our toolbars. As you can see, these are similar the icons that we have worked on Microsoft Word. For example, this is for bold. If you want to make a word bold, italic, underline, change the size of the word or the type of the font, or if you want to change the color, highlight, everything, all the options are here. So these are the tools that we will work with them. The next area is the sharing and accessing to your different versions of the files. We will work on them. You can click here and share the file through email, send to your friends or an organization that you want to share with them. And the last section is the typing area. Here you can start, as you can see, this is the cursor, and click and start typing. Maybe you say that, okay, what are these items here? You know, here there are some options. You can click, for example, access to templates. Some already easy-made files that you can access and work with them. Or for the meeting notes or email draft and more, you can access. But pay attention. When you click anywhere on the documents, they will disappear. It is not, don't worry about them. When I click here, when I start typing, they will disappear. I delete them. Okay, again, they will come back. You should have in mind that similar to Microsoft Word, we have ruler on the top of the document and also the same ruler on the left margin. So this is similar to Microsoft Word that we have had the rulers. So if I'm going to compare it with Microsoft Word, as you see here, we have the ruler on the top and also the ruler on the left. If you don't see the ruler, you should go to view here and click on ruler here. You see, when I click on ruler, I have the ruler. If I click it on again, it will disappear. So this is similar to that. And as you saw, the options that like insert, draw, design, the difference is that here you can see all the icons, but here when you click on the menu, you can see only the options. You see, it is similar to Microsoft Word. And the tools that you use, and the tools that you see here, it is exactly similar. These tools that you see on home, for example, bold, italic, underline, changing the size, changing the color, everything. It is similar here, bold, italic, underline, changing the color and the size, the font, everything. These are the necessary tools that are available, but it is free. So this is the workplace of the Google Docs that you are working. And if you want to access your previous files here on the Docs home, if you click here, again, you can go and access to Google Docs, for example, the previous files that you have saved, and also create a new document. And this is, you see, the same document that I was working because its name is untitled. and it shows that what time I am working, and if I click it again I will access to it. And in the next session we are going to start typing and editing. My question is that what is the first thing that you should do when you are going to start typing or creating a file? You get familiar with the workplace, but now this is the file that you are going to create. Do you think we should start typing anything that we would like, or should we do something else before starting to typing? Thank you. I will see you in the next video.